What's up, Kurlz crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz.
I'm Kayla.
Yes, and today we are going to be putting together this lovely Christmas village. Yes! You excited?
Oh, heck yeah! Yes!
Alright guys, so if you would like to see that, please stay tuned. So we are going to open up this box. I know, sorry. A box and start building this village, okay? We did get this from Walmart, and I believe it was about $11 or less, but
wait, it was $50.
$11, okay? And so let's open up the box. Let's see what's in there. So, you wanna help me open it?
Yes, come
Pull
on.
it.
Let's do that. Oh, the ingredients! I love cooking. Look, the ingredients!
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, guys. So this is what comes inside of the box. We have our icing pouch here.
We're gonna eat this in the next video.
Okay, and then here we have the gingerbread,
and here we have
so that we can build our houses. Let me see. And then here they have assorted decorations. So let's open this.
And they have the decorations.
Yeah.
And let's open this too. Let's open.
Not yet. Hold on 1 second on that one, okay? Do you want to show them what are these?
These are
Gumdrops.
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 These are sprinkles.
They're leaves and cherries.
Leaves and cherries.
And these are some circle ones. Circle sprinkles. And then we have some, do you know what those are?
Candy.
They're spice drops. They're the leaf spice drops. And then they have a piping bag and piping tool. Yeah. Let me see that so I can show them the tip.
This is the tip.
And the piping tool. And then it also comes with the instructions.
Go like that, okay? Alright, don't wrinkle it. Alright, now that we have our foil down, let's go ahead and take out the houses. Now, keep it together because the houses are together. Okay, don't break it apart yet. So you can leave them out. Smells good. Mom, this is some. It smells really good, right? Alright, put it down. Smells really good. Alright, which houses do you want to build? You get to build two. So which ones do you want to build? This one goes with this one. You want that one? Okay. Nope, that's two separate houses. I'm going to show you how in a second. Remember we did this last year? Yeah? You don't remember. But that's okay. I remember, Mommy. You remember? Okay. So, we are going to get our icing ready. Can we eat the cookies? After we're done? Alright, we are going to cut this. We are going to cut a little tip off of this. And then we are going to drop this tool in and make sure that it's a small enough slit for the tool to go into, because otherwise it will slip right out. And in my case, I didn't cut it enough. So let's cut a little more. I really got that jammed in there, guys. So let's cut it. Yeah, let's cut it a little more. The cookies look good, so we're going to eat these in a second because these look really good. We're not going to eat them. We're going to decorate them. Hey! Once we decorate them, we're going to eat them. Yeah. Alright. Now, do you want to use the icing they gave us? Because we have some other icing we can use too. Yes! Alright, well, let's use that. And this. So just squeeze it right into the thing, the paper. It's called a piping bag. Hold on, baby. You want to squeeze too? Squeeze that out. That's really heavy. It's really hard, right? Oh, really heavy and hard. Got it? This is done. Alright, let's just put this over to you. I'm very alert. We're going to push it all the way down. See my little tiger doll on him? Do a twisting motion. They see my tiger doll. To get it set. My tiger look cute. You like your tiger? Alright, let's focus on the cookies. Oh, yeah. Alright, we have the piping ready. Alright, so next, we have to break apart our houses. Now, do you want to break apart your house, or do you want Mommy to break them all apart? Because you have to be really careful. You can only break them at the lines, okay? So if you break one, you are going to have... See? It's really easy to just, like, pop it open. Oh, see? Alright, be careful not to break any of the pieces. And make sure whatever house you take apart, you keep them all together. So where's your other house? let's put this house to the side.
On this one? Alright, so let's just move those out of the way, okay? Finish breaking yours.
Oh, woo! Wow. That was awesome.
Alright, you like that?
Oh, I like these cookies.
Alright, so let me help you out. So first, we are going to assemble our houses. Oh, some's coming out! Oh yeah, no, it's okay. Some of the icing is coming out. Alright, so first we need to set up the front of the house. And we are going to put icing, oh no, on the sides. Woo-hoo. Oh no, it's falling off, is it? Alright, and then let's get the side of our house. And you're going to stick that on there, okay? Okay. So stick the other side on. Stick the other side on there. And then I'll put some icing on here for you. How's that? It's going to be a little better once we get the house assembled. No, I just swept them up a little bit. Yeah. Is that good? That's perfect. Oh, snap. Alright, let's help you. Oh, uh-oh, it's falling over. I'm sorry. We'll give you another house. No, it's okay, baby. It's okay. Alright, let's see if we can give it a good push. And then we're going to let that dry for a second. So I'm going to move on. No, let that dry for a second. Here, let it dry for a second, okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing to mine, okay? Because these two are the exact same houses. Guys, in this set, these are just the classic cottage. So these ones are the easiest ones to put together. And that is why we're going to do them first. Uh-oh. So. So for these, you put the side on first. And make sure your window, the little window, is facing outward. Oh, yeah. Mom, what will this icing got on here? On the side of here still? Let me see, baby. No, not yet, because that's the roof. Oh! Come here. I thought that was not the roof. I thought it was like, whoa, I want some icing there. Mom, look how good it looks now. It looks great. Hold on, I'm going to give you that in 1 second, okay? Come on, look. I want to secure it a little bit first. Mom, you don't have to secure it. No, you don't. I want to add a little bit more icing. You don't have to finally look like a little house, guys. Mom, you don't have to put no icing on this one. Yeah, we're going to put a little bit of like this. No, you have to put the icing on there so it stays on like that. See? Alright, so let me get some icing. Look, you don't have to put no icing on that. You do, but let's get some icing on there. It's a little different. Alright, got it. Oh, snap, we need to put icing on it. So I'm just lining the edge of the house. Yeah. Don't push too hard. That's okay. Just go on. Alright, let's put some icing on the other one. There's some icing stuck right there. Let me see your house, baby. Mom, your house is bigger than mine? Nope, it's the same house. It's a little bit wider, though. Your house is better than mine? Nope, they're both equally awesome. Mom, you just put some over there? Yeah. Alright. I'm about to cover it up for all of it stays. And then we are going to put some across here. Oh. So that they can stick to each other, right? Oh, yeah. Alright. Are we gonna... Got it? Wait, don't push hard. Let's see it go. All the way down like it was supposed to. So these look beautiful to you? It looks beautiful to me. Yeah, I think that looks beautiful. Alright, let's put a little bit more icing to secure this building you have here. Why building it more icing? Why you do the building more icing? Why do the building need more icing in my world and I need it in a sinner Call of Duty? I don't like it Call of Duty. You like my Call of Duty? Comment down below. Comment down below. I said Call of Duty below. I said Call of Duty below. I said Call of Duty below. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a little harder than it looks.
It was at this point that we realized we messed up.
Cookies are so good. The cookies are literally so good. So good.
Look at baby.
So good. So good. Mom.
Okay, guys, so Caleb decided to enjoy that failed house. He said the cookie was so delicious, so I decided to give it a taste as well, as you guys will see in a little bit. But I decided to speed things up because it started to just get really chatty. Here's my taste test. It's a good cookie. So then I just sped up the rest of the video, and I hope you guys like it. I know, you guys, another failed house, but do not worry. I was able to put that one back together and save it before Caleb attacked and ate it. He is the village cookie monster. Okay, guys, so now we are ready to decorate these houses.
Oh, these are ready.
You ready? Yeah.
I'm ready.
So we separated our houses already. Mine is here. I'm going to decorate this one.
Mine is here.
Yes, and then we are going to decorate this one together. Right, boo?
Yes, because that was a big one.
Yeah. Now, one of the houses, as you guys can see, is not here. Do you want to tell them what happened to the house?
Yes.
What happened?
I literally ate it.
He literally ate it. So what happened was the icing was not working well for us, so we had to improvise on a couple of other things. You guys will see. I actually pulled out a little bit of my own cream cheese from Betty Crocker. Icing. This by far was the most fun part of this entire experience. I love being able to put all of the candies on there. Caleb also enjoyed eating some of them. I think that was his favorite part, all of the candies in the cookie house. Oh, I just love him. Okay, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us and creating our Christmas village. Good night! Here is our final product. We know it looks absolutely nothing like the boxes, but that is okay. We just did this for fun, so we hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then what should they do, buddy?
They should hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yes, we will. As always, thanks for watching.